Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Raihan Atia. I'm postgraduate student on Physics Department, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. In this opportunity, I would like to present our article whose title Development of Scientific Process Creative Skills, SPCS Test on Light Wave Concept, Last Model Analysis. First of all, I would like to talk about introduction of this study. Creativity is a special need in studying science. Scientific research requires creativity to generate ideas, new understanding, new ways to complement or improve existing knowledge and techniques. Compared to general creativity, scientific creativity has not been done much. The number of general creativity studies is due to the availability of instruments to measure creativity. However, general creativity tests cannot be used to measure scientific creativity. So it is necessary to develop scientific creative skills test instruments in various contexts. Scientific process skills are basic skills in conducting scientific experiment. There are aspects of scientific process skills that correspond to aspects of scientific creativity. For example, the skills of observing, predicting, and designing experiment. In solving a scientific problem, students explore their knowledge and then combine it with imagination and skills to produce a variety of new and different solutions. So we can conclude that scientific process skills and scientific creativity are needed in the process of learning science. Light wave are physics content that has been studied for a long time by scientists. However, concept of light waves is rarely studied specifically in school. Whereas in the curriculum for the special condition of COVID-19, light waves are an essential concept to learn. So this study proposed to develop scientific process skills and scientific creative skills test instrument or SPCS test on light wave concept. And next, research method. Research design. This study used a mixed method with exploratory sequential design. The research procedure consists of 5 stages, including analyzing, designing, developing, implementing, and evaluating. Participants of this study consist of 33 students of 12th grade public high school, including 20 girls and 30 boys aged 17 until 18 years. Data analysis. The result of the expert assessment were analyzed using CVI or Content Validity Index. Student test scores were analyzed using the RICE model to measure item fit reliability, distinction level, and difficulty level. Criteria of the item fit level and category of the distinction level can be seen on this slide. Before we continue to next slide. Okay, and then we continue to the next slide. There is result and discussion. This table shows the interpretation of scientific process skills, item fit, and distinction level. From the table, it can be seen that items P8 and P17 don't satisfy all of the scores criteria. So it can be said that the items don't have item fit. The distinction level of 16 items were in the very good category. 3 items were in the good category. There are P15, P18, and P21, and 2 items were in the insufficient category. There are P8 and P17. And next, this table shows the interpretation of scientific creative skills, item fit, and distinction level. Based on the table, the item that does not have item fit is E12 because it doesn't satisfy all of the scores criteria. The distinction level of 12 items in the very good category, an item in the good category, there is E5, an item in the sufficient category, there is E8, and an item in the insufficient category, there is E12. And then the reliability of the test instrument. The reliability of the SPS test instrument item scored 0.79 in sufficient category, and the SCS test instrument scored 0.91 in very good category. These results show that both of SPS and SCS test instruments are reliable to identify the scientific process skills and scientific creative skills of students. And then difficulty level. The difficulty level can be seen from the GMLA measure column. The bigger score of GMLE measure, the more difficult item, and vice versa. On the SPS test instrument, there are 3 very difficult items, 7 difficult items, 6 easy items, and 5 very easy items. On the SCS test instrument, there are 3 very difficult items, 4 difficult items, 6 easy items, and 2 very easy items. And the last conclusion, based on analysis using RAS model, there are 19 valid items of SPS and 4 valid items of SCS. The reliability of the SPS test instrument items obtain a score of 0.79 in sufficient category, and SCS test instrument obtain a score of 0.91 in very good category. Therefore, the SPSS test, which consists of 19 multiple choice questions and 14 open-ended questions, is valid and reliable so that it can be used to measure students' scientific process skill and scientific creative skills in further research. That's all my presentation. Thank you for watching. Let me know if there's some question and suggestion. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.